The Real Volleyball Talk PH. Yo, what's up mga ka-volleyball? Welcome to Volleyball Talk PH, where we talk all things PBL on and off the court. I'm Farida Magandingan
and Bayanera Abdul Rahman, and today's episode is super special because we're shining the spotlight not just on the players but on you, the fans of the PBL Women's Championship.
Yes, kasi let's be real. All brought the fire season, so today let's give credit where is due.
First of all, the PBL Finals atmosphere, parang concert. From the drum beats to the screaming chants, PBL fans went all out.
Tama, I was there alive and legged. The energy was unreal. My fans na naka-full outfit. May matching banner pa. I even saw a Lola and full team colors. Front now.
And in the dedication, grabe, some fans line up for hours just to get good seats. Others brought posters, light steak, and even food for their five players. That's not just support, that's love.
And online, the fandom was just alive. PBL, Twitter, and TikTok were exploding with edit memes. Even live game trades. Fans were analyzed, play like analyzed.
Ha ha ha! May mga vlog pa from the bleachers. Sabi nga ng iba, mas intense pa daw mag-scroll sa comment section kaysa manood ng game.
True, but beyond the hype, what I love most is how PBL fans really create a sense of community. Nagkakakilala, nagkakabanding. May mga fan groups, team support groups, parang family na.
And the players, you can really see how much they appreciate the fans. After games, kahit pagod na, they will still wave, take selfies, sign autographs, and it's a two-way love.
Sobrang wholesome. That's what makes PBL special. It's not just volleyball. It's a movement and the fans. Kayo ang puso ng liga.
So, to all the PBL fans out there, whether you're OG or newly convert, online or live, audience, win or loss, you are part of what makes this league great.
Tuloy nyo lang yan. Keep the passion burning. Keep supporting your teams, your players, and each other.
That's it for today's episode. Follow us for more volleyball, kwentuhan, updates, and fun features.
This has been Volleyball Talk PH. I'm Farida Magandingan.
And I'm Bayanera Abdul Rahman. And we'll see you sa next game, mga ka-volleyball.